Okay, hello there, you are with Harry Ashcott Studios, and so today I'm going to show you how to install Mercus from IKEA. So here you will get the sliding tools and the hinge and the measurement. Okay, so you will get all this and plus the screw. Okay, so how we are going to install it, just let's check it out. Okay, for the first steps you need to install this one first. So you see here there is a hinge over here. Okay, so just install on top of the roller. Okay, like this. Okay, and then you need to screw here and here. Okay, get ready to screw. Over here. And over here. Okay, I think I'm wrong screw use. I need to use the flat head. Yeah, this one is the flat head. Okay, so it will easily like this. Okay, and we need to install on the other side. Okay, on the other side it's the same procedure. So this is the hinge, put it here. Okay, make sure this one, and we need to screw over here and over here. Use the flat screw. Okay, the flat screw. Hold it tight. Okay. And the other side. Okay, done. So we done on here. So the next step is we need to install the hinge on the drawer. Okay, for the drawer you will be given the measurement, this measurement and this hinge. So what you need to do is just stick like this. Okay, stick like this and put it here, stick like this, and this is where you need to screw. Okay, this one. Okay, can see it. Okay, so this one you need to screw it. Okay, and the other side. Okay, so done. So we need to do the other side. So okay, so same goes to this one, this side. So you need to put a hinge over here, the measurement. Okay, so it will be this side. Okay, Oops. All right. And the other one. So make sure it doesn't move. Okay, so it won't move. Okay, done. Now we slide it back. Okay, so everything has done. So we're going to do it to slide it so to see the slow motion. See, slow motion. There's no more bang. Okay, you see. Okay, you don't need to bang anymore. So now there's no more bang. Okay, thanks for watching.